guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Makeover Monday, and what that means is every other Thursday we remake or redo the project we created on Monday. So this past Monday we made this really fun and easy window treat box, and today we are turning that box into a window card. You can see here all I do is take this top part of the window, I cut that down to make it be the card front. Alright, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. When you see your name at the very top, that verifies that you were logged in. On this page you want to go down until you get to Cricut Access. Click on View All. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, type in the word box, then click on Enter. And the project we are changing is the window treat box. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Click on Customize. Alright, so we have the inside of the box, the part that goes around the box, and then we have this piece here. I'll remove this piece. Now on this piece, I want to right click on it and choose Detach to move the score marks out of the way. Alright, I do want to resize it, so I have this piece selected. Top toolbar, you want to leave the lock locked, and we're changing only the width and making this be 5.5. Click on Enter. I'm going to resize this piece as well. Top toolbar again, and this time you want to unlock the lock. Make the width here be 5.25, and the height is going to be 4. Now what I want to do is take this piece and center it over these cutouts. So when I go over it, you can see the handles around it. Just going to kind of line it up by eyeballing it. I think that looks pretty good there. Take your left mouse button across everything, right click on that and choose Slice. Now we can take this piece out of the way. This is going to be our card front. We can remove that piece. Then we have the inside squares as well. So now this size should be 4 by 5.25. These ones we're going to resize. Top toolbar again, you want to leave the lock locked and make the height on these be 2.5. Click on Enter. So they're going to go ahead and fit inside those squares there. Left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on Shapes, click on a square. I'm going to make this size be the same size as the card base. So I have it selected. Top toolbar, I want to unlock the lock. Make the width here be 5.5 and the height is going to be 8.5. I'm not going to cut this piece out, I just want to use it for reference. So when I bring this piece over and I right click on that and choose Move to Front, you can see that'll act as a 4 by 5.25 mat for the front of the card. All right, now I want to decorate these pieces. Left hand side toolbar, click on Images. In the search box, I'm going to type in the word birthday. Click on Enter. I'm going to go to my right hand side next to search and click on the filter and choose Cricut Access and also the ones that are single layer. Alright, so I know I want this greeting, which is from Thoughts and Phrases Good Times. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I want to find the birthday presents. I'm going to scroll down. They are over here, and they are from Photo Fun Celebrations. I'm going to click on that, and then click on Insert Images. So I want to take the presents, make them be a little bit larger, and have them cover all the bottom row of the boxes. I'm going to right click on it and choose Duplicate. So now I have 2 of them, so I'll put one on top. And this one I want to flip, so have that one selected. Top toolbar, I want to click on Flip. Then flip horizontal so they're all not going the same direction. Take your mouse across everything. You want to right click on that and choose Attach. This is using the Cricut marker tool to draw on those boxes there. Now I'm going to create the piece for the front of the card. Left hand side toolbar, click on Shapes. I'm going to click on a square. I'm going to resize this to be 2.5 by 2.5. I'm going to right click on it again and choose Duplicate. I'm going to change the color of this one, so I have it selected. My right hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on the square there and make it be a white color. This is where the greeting will go. I'm going to resize it, make this one be a little bit smaller, so this one is 2.25 by 2.25. Bring our greeting over, I'm going to right click on that and choose Move to Front, and then just resize it to fit inside there. But I do have this piece going diagonal. So I'm going to hold down Shift on my keyboard, click on the piece here, and then click on the circle and drag it until it's going that way like a diamond. All right, bring this piece over and get it lined up how you like it inside there. think that looks pretty good. Again, take your mouse across everything, right click on that and choose attach. So now we have the card base, which is 8.5 by 5.5. We'll remove that. This piece we're going to cut out. These are going to cut out and use the marker to draw on those. This is 2.5 by 2.5 square. I'll delete that. Then this piece here, we'll use the marker tool again. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. So we need a piece of white cardstock for here and a piece of whatever color cardstock you're using for that piece. I'm going to click on Continue, cut these out with a table, and put our card together. Alrighty, we are back. I have all of my pieces cut out. So for my card base, I'm using gray cardstock. This is 8.5 by 5.5. I scored that at 4 1/4. I also cut out the piece for the greeting, that layer. This is 2 by 2. Right now we have all the pieces here and the window. I'm going to take some of this foam tape I cut down to size and fit inside these intersections here. Alright, and then we're just going to go around the rest of it. So we're going to pop this piece up. That piece might be a tad bit too wide. Let's go ahead and give that a little trim. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give all that a squish and then take the backings off. On foam tape, this is sometimes the hardest part. I think this is a really cute card, and all we're doing is basically using 2 pieces or 2 colors of card. We're using, in this case, we're using a pink and a gray, and then the marker tool is pretty much doing everything else for us, which I love. And that was a bugger to get that one off. If you have a hard time taking the backings off, just go ahead and give them a really good smush. And that sometimes does work. Alright, so a few more to go, which will probably take me an hour. I have no fingernails. Alright. We're in the home stretch now. Oop. Now you have the option of either popping this piece up or popping up the birthday pieces. I chose to pop this one up. I'm going to lay this flat this way, and we're going to layer that on there. How fun would this piece be for a scrapbook page? You can put pictures behind there and do journaling. Alright, so now we have all of our pieces here, our little presents. If you want to, you can put them in order on how they went. I kind of forget how they went, to be honest. There we go, I think it went like that. No. Like that. Okay. I'm going to take my glue. I'm using art glitter glue. And some glue on the back of this. And all we're going to do is simply put these in here. If you want to, you can also take colored pencils and color these parts in and make it be more of a colorful scene. I just chose to leave it blank. Whoops. I probably should have went with a black card base versus the gray, but I do like pink and gray together. Let me straighten that one out. And we flip them in Design Space, that way they would draw out in reverse. Or not reverse, a different direction. Okay, now we have the greeting. Again, I'm going to grab some of that foam tape. Just about at the end of this stuff, which is good because it is really, really sticky. Actually, I'm out. Okay, I'm out of that stuff. All right, so this is going to be half popped up. Do I have another foam thing anywhere? Let me look. I do. I have these little circles. This way it's not uneven. take that, take these off. Okay, I'm going to put this on our gray piece. And I chose to go on an angle with that so it wasn't so straight. I'm just going to put your liquid glue right in the middle of that piece. Then we're going to put it right in the middle of the card. Kind of like that. Isn't that cute? So there's the card. I did not do the inside. You could always do that if you want to, but there's that card, and then the project that inspired the card. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.